Stock number 9906, O2 Jeep Liberty, 3.7 liter compression with that, 190 to 200 PSI. Good running little motor, 130,235 miles upon it. Got a little over 90 PSI at an idle on the oil pressure. No ticks, no blow-by, no smoke, nice clean cap. Doesn't have slobber in it. And we're out of gas.